since it's raining today, what I'm going to do is just go pick up my Vantage 48, which I have at the shop, getting my hydraulic fluid change. Was having a slight little grind anytime I started the mower, so since it's under warranty, I have them checking the starter, see if the starter is good to go. If not, go ahead and switch it out. It's under warranty. So these are the type of things that I do or try to do during the winter time and the downtime. Basic maintenance on my mowers, so when spring comes, I have the least amount of worries when it comes to my mower breaking down for lack of maintenance or whatever the case might be. So I'm going to switch out the 48 and pick up the 48 and turn the 36 in to get the hydraulic fluid exchanging. Now, I understand those are things that some of you guys do. I don't. I would do the basic stuff like oil change, filter change, grease the mower, sharpen the blade, clean the mower, you know, basic maintenance, change the belts. I can do that. But when it comes to the hydraulic fluid, I'd rather them go ahead and take care of it for me. Again, the mower's under warranty, so basically, you know, I'll just and again, it's not part of the warranty, but I prefer them to do it for me. No hidden anything behind it, just have them do it and I don't have to worry about it. All right, so let's switch out trucks and go exchange these mowers. All right, guys, this is Andy Lawn and Machinery. This is where I bring my mowers, get them repaired. This is the service department, and you bring your stuff in here, and basically once they finish repairing it, then they put it over here. Then you know that it's ready to go. Alright guys, so what they did was change my hydraulic fluid, and believe it or not, they gave me a new starter because it was going bad. So instead of waiting, they went ahead and gave me a new starter, and that was free. Well, not free, under warranty. Now this is why I like to be pay real good attention to my equipment, because again, my warranty is not up on this 48 until September of this year. So it's good for you to walk around and just listen to your mower and check it out and make sure everything is good to go with your lawnmower. Now let me show you something real quick. This is Andy's Lawn and Machinery, and look at all these mowers, guys. You guys probably seen them in my other videos. Look at that. It's like you're at a grown person Toys R Us. Makes you salivate, doesn't it? Yeah. I just thought I'd show you that. That is beautiful, isn't it? Wow. All right, let's continue. pizza?